going on, everybody? Rusty here. Today I've got another box of 2017 Topps Stadium Club, another blaster box. Wanted to have another go at this to see if we can pull a nice autograph, maybe a Judge or something like that. That would be pretty nice, but I'll take an autograph out of here. But I am trying to finish off some of my Rambo from Mike Trout that I'm working on, so maybe I'll get lucky and pull one of those for that. I think I'm just 2 cards away from finishing that one. But give you guys a quick look here at the odds. You know what we're looking at there, but let's go ahead and dive in. I won't get into the box too much since this product has been out for a little bit now. There we go. So here's our 8 packs. Go ahead and dive in. Let me know what you guys think. Any big polls so far? Anything from Stadium Club this year? Start off with a nice Clayton Kershaw. Corey Dickerson. Ryan Braun. Nice little black and white Ted Williams. There is a gold Addison Russell. Next pack. Okay, Bobby Abreu. Yasmani Tomas. These cards seem to be turned every which way here. Tyler Glasnow, rookie. Renato Nunez, rookie. And a black Odubel Herrera. Alright, pack number 3. Got a Will Myers. Kevin Pillar. It's a nice Andrew Benintendi rookie. JT Realmuto. And a sepia of Julio Urias. At least it looks like we're getting a parallel or an insert in every pack here. That's good. And Rod Carew. Nice Chipper Jones. Matt Duffy. Dave Winfield. Scoreless streak of Steven Strasburg. Pack number 4. Actually, I think this is pack 5. Kyle Hendricks. Mark Melancon. Jose Canseco. Robinson Cano. And a gold Danny Santana. Max Scherzer. Carl Yastrzemski. Omar Vizquel. Daniel Murphy. Power Zone Freddie Freeman. I am liking the fact that at least you get an insert here every pack, so something outside the base cards. Alright, Martin Prado. Got John Gray. Stephen Vogt. Or Vott. Joe Mauer. Reynaldo Lopez, rookie. Last pack. Matt Shoemaker. Cole Hamels. Eric Hosmer. Tony Cingrani. And a contact sheet of DJ LeMahieu. Alright guys, well there's the break. Nothing too fabulous in here. Did get a couple different parallels, things of that nature. Nothing over the top. No autos. The highlight was probably hitting the Benintendi rookie. I've seen this card. I haven't pulled it yet. It's a good catch he made. I remember that. Anyway, guys, please subscribe. Please like, comment. Let me know what you think of this product. Might do another one. We'll see. It just depends on availability. A lot of other things coming out. Getting ready for a lot of other openings for the year. And please subscribe. I'll be bringing more out to you as often as I can. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.